Welcome to this video article on Streamlit, the Python web framework that simplifies the process of building interactive and customizable data-driven web applications. Streamlit offers a number of features that make it an ideal choice for data scientists and machine learning engineers. Its customizable user interface components allow developers to create custom user interfaces with minimal code. It integrates with popular Python libraries such as Matplotlib, Altair, and Plotly, enabling developers to create sophisticated data visualizations with ease. Streamlit supports popular data processing libraries such as Pandas, enabling developers to manipulate data in real time as it is displayed in the application. It also provides a caching mechanism that enables developers to cache expensive computations, resulting in faster application performance. Let's take a look at an example of complex Streamlit code that demonstrates its capabilities. In this example, we will create a web application that visualizes and explores a dataset of housing prices. First, we load some data from a CSV file using the load_data function. We use the st_cache decorator to cache the data so that it is only loaded once and reused across multiple sessions. Then we create a sidebar that allows the user to filter the data based on the number of bedrooms and bathrooms. Next, we filter the data based on the user's selections, and display the filtered data in a table using the stWrite function. Finally, we create a chart using the Seaborn library, and display it using the stPyplot function. This example demonstrates how Streamlit can be used to create complex applications that combine data filtering, visualization, and interactivity. By leveraging Streamlit's powerful features, developers can quickly prototype and deploy data-driven web applications that meet their specific needs. Thanks for watching this video article on Streamlit. We hope you found it informative and useful for your next data-driven web application project.